Breakfast, one of the most important meals in our life. But breakfast in a burger, this is something we have never heard of. Yes, we kid you not, there is actually a burger stall in PJ that serves hash brown in the burger. And let's find out more. Burger and Bira, located at number 56 Jalan SS21/39, opens from 8 PM onwards and is best known for their hash brown burger. This stall sells all types of burger, hot dogs, fries and more. But what sets them apart from any other burger stalls is their burger, which topped with fry-on-the-spot hash brown. However, the patty they use are high-quality Ramly patty. Other add-ons are also available, such as chicken strips and eggs and cheese. All their burgers are topped with generous condiments. After a few bites, I must say that the hash brown is so crispy, and adding it to the burger goes very well. Not to mention the texture, it's a perfect combination. And here is our verdict. The price of the burger is quite reasonable, given that the condiments they put in the burger. With that, I'm giving it 3 stars. As for the patty, nothing much is special, as the patty they use are normal Ramly patties. So I'm giving it 2 stars. As for the condiments, hash browns on a burger is something new, so I'm giving it 3 stars. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more interesting video clips.
Let's get scratching.